So first thing on Top Secret, I got something. And the best way to get this first is if you have an iOS device, you can download the update to our Adafruit AR app. So this is a real Circuit Playground Express. This is
physical.
This is a real one, and when it recognizes it, it will put overlays, and you can tap on the screen and learn all about the different components and pieces that goes into a Circuit Playground Express. So this is using recognition of the board itself, and then we say, okay, cool, you're using, you have a Pi portal, wonderful. Here's all the things about it.
Nice.
I2C connector, digital analog connectors. So this is very futuristic.
It's like a floating
yeah.
pinout diagram.
Yeah, so any electronics that you have from Adafruit, when you point the app at it, it'll tell you
It
all the things
recognizes
that
it.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's some good machine learning action there.
Yeah. All right, next up.
Yeah, I have an update. I'm going to update the Halloween because it's going to be Halloween soon. And I thought it would be cool to update the Halloween because one of our last SAMD21 boards. We want to update it to a SAMD51 and then also update the screen from 128 to 240 by 240 because there's actually some really high quality, low cost 240 by 240 IPS screens coming onto the market. I think from all the low cost smartwatches available. So I will get that out soon. I'm going to start with 1.3 inch display and then I'll update that to 1.5 once I get some samples in.
Okay.
And I'm not satisfied with PyGamer 2 because I just finished PyGamer. I was like, oh, let's make a 2.0 version. And the PyGamer 2 has a 2-inch screen with 320 by 240. Actually, I saw the display on the M5 stack and I was like, wait, that's a 2-inch 320 by 240 screen that looks great. So, let's update the PyGamer to a larger resolution screen. So maybe like if people who want to do like games with more pixels, you would have a 320 by 240. But otherwise, same size. And then also looking at these, high-res IPS 1.3 inch displays and 1.5 inch, I thought let's take a PyGamer but turn it into a bonnet. And then I actually added audio later to this, not visible here. And then this is coming soon. It's an ultimate GPS with USB built in. Some people with the Linux computers, they wanted to set up like NTP, and they didn't want to have to do any wiring. So this is it's got the USB serial converter built in, and then the pulse per second comes out on the ring indicator. So you can read that from Python or whatever to see when it's on the pulse per second.
Okay, back in the vault. That's our top secret for the week.
Yay.
Okay. We're doing